Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Flawless Beauty channel. Summer. Oh, thank God it's here, right? I'm so happy summer is here. Things are starting to get a little back to normal. And I have a vacation booked. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to get new things to wear on vacation, and this is a smaller haul, but I'm just starting my shopping for my vacation and I wanted to share with you guys what I got first. So let's check it out. Okay, I'm ready. I got two things here I'm packing. The first thing I am packing with me on my vacation to the beach is my Floriental coconut from Dossier. Oh my God. So I wear a lime coconut lotion year round, like year round. And this perfume complements that so freaking good. And it embodies like, just like beach vibes. Like it smells so good. And when you spray perfume, Dossier, or any perfume, spray it on your clothes, it lasts longer. So I'm going to be packing that Dossier perfume along with this cute little crop that I got from Shein. Colorful, kind of reminds me of a clown, but I love it. And it has this super cute crisscrossy, like look at all those crisscrosses back there. I love it. And I just paired it with a pair of Levi jeans that I have. I think I got this top for like $8. And that Dossier perfume, $30. We're starting out good so far. And what is not a beach vacation without a new bikini? This one is also from Shein and it is so cute. It has little flamingos on the bottoms. Stripes, flamingos. It has these like little ruffle, like darling ruffles. And then ties in the back, ties on the side. It's got pretty good coverage, I think. I don't think it's super cheeky. This is just the little faux thing right here. But the top is underwire. I did get a small. I probably could have done a medium. I mean, I don't know. The top feels a little stiff. Maybe after a wash it will be good. But I got a small because of the tie bottoms. I always get a small so I can adjust true to size, definitely. But do you like my flamingos? I am obsessed. I love flamingos. Let me show you else what I got. And another bikini. So this one I did size up and I got a medium. I always size up when the bottoms do not have ties, just so I'm not getting major muffin top. Just my personal preference. These have pretty good coverage as well. Probably more than the last one. The liner of it is also yellow, which is bonus points in mine. That's like a little pet peeve of mine when like the liner's white and you have like this other color and like, because you know how sometimes the bottoms go up your butt and the liner's showing and it's not cute. But anyway, that's my pet peeve of that. But I really like how bright this is. It shows off my tan, and this is like a base tan, you guys. I mean, I laid out I think twice so far this summer in my backyard, and that's it. So when I go to the beach, I get dark. But anyways, perfect. And it has like this like, I don't know, like this faux wrap thing going on. It's cute. It has adjustable straps. Now this top, I had to pull over my head, or you could step into it. It has no way to close it. And one thing I do not like, I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but the padding is circular and I can see it like plain as day, so I'm pretty sure they're removable. If they are, I'm going to be taking out the padding just because, like, that's all I see, and it's not cute. But anyways, these are the few items that I have started for my vacation shopping, packing, my Dossier coconut perfume. Make sure you guys use my coupon code FB10 for 10% off. Paisley's excited because she's coming. Say the pups are coming. So yeah, my coupon code FB10 for 10% off. Dossier's website, all of their perfumes. They got men, women, and unisex scents. And Shein. I'll link everything below, guys. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe, you know, do all the things. And until next time.